Hi guys, this is my cactus which has been overwatered over the winter period. As you can see, some of the stems have started to die on the side. Luckily the whole plant hasn't died as of yet, but there's a lot of signs of discoloration, and as you can see, some of the new growth has been quite weak on the top of the plants. Luckily the whole plant hasn't died yet, and I've allowed the plant to dry out for a few weeks. So I'm hoping to see if the plant can recover, but as you can see, there's a lot of discoloration, although there has been some new growth. I haven't watered the plant for about 3 or 4 weeks, so the soil is starting to dry out, as is the base of the plant. I couldn't see any signs of root rot, so I'm hoping the plant can make a recovery. But yeah, I'm going to continue to monitor the health of the plant and stop watering for a few months, then see how it goes. Hopefully the plant can make a full recovery. We'll update later in the year, and hopefully cactus will get back to full health and continue to grow. Thanks.